This string game has an unusual finish. Begin by putting the loop over the toe and winding the string once round it in a clockwise direction, and put the long end of the string into your mouth to hold for now. Both hands then come over the mouth toe strings and draw out the toe loop to the left and to the right. The hands go in from below into that drawn out loop and then turn down away from you and up towards you, taking a turn around one string so it goes onto the back of the hands, and the thumbs and index fingers take hold of the mouth loop and draw that through these strings, turning hands away and dropping the strings that were on their backs. We end up with the design as so. The hands then go through the loops they're holding and pointing away from you. Keep the index and middle fingers together over the crossing string of the design, pull it back towards the hands and under the next string that crosses under each of these loops, and get that to the back of these two fingers, drawing them up straight. Now the fourth finger goes under the strings on the outside that run to the toes like this. Release the toes and you will find you have a wrist loop which has to come off both hands, and then you will have a loop on each fourth finger and one going round both second and third fingers. Now the finish goes like this. To extend this figure, you're going to bend round the little fingers and the thumbs down away towards each other. The thumb goes over the near index string and the little finger goes over the far ring finger string down and makes a turn round them just to secure the figure. And the other fingers, the second, third and fourth, second, third go into their loop and the fourth goes into its loop just to keep out of the way. And again, the thumb and little finger come over the same string and they do the same with the other hand, and then turn the hands away from each other and you end up with a design of three diamonds called a trap. Now my conclusion as to the name of this trick is that if someone would put their hand through the center diamond, if you let go the right hand and pull down, the strings will come free. If you let go the left hand and pull up, the strings will catch.